Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode from Crazy Gamer. In this video, we will be learning how to change Buddy in Pokemon GO. If you want to walk with a different Pokemon by your side as a Buddy Pokemon, then first of all, open up the Pokemon GO app on your mobile device and tap on your trainer profile icon in the bottom left corner. Now make sure that you're inside the Me menu. Right where you can see your trainer's profile, tap on your pet or the Buddy Pokemon. Now, if you want to change your Buddy Pokemon, scroll all the way down and look for Swap Buddies. Now go ahead and click on Yes in order to swap your Buddy. Choose a new Buddy Pokemon from your Pokemon list. Now, after you do that, you have successfully selected your new Buddy. If you now get back to the trainer's profile, your new Buddy will appear beside you. Now your new Buddy Pokemon is ready to walk, earn hearts, collect candies, and join you on your Pokemon GO journey. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I will see you in the next episode. Thank you for watching.